Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the mystery bundle from my FabFitFun 2023 fall box. So here we go. The first item out is this Fenty Beauty Pro Kisser Luscious Lip Balm. It's in the shade Cocoa Drizzle. And this went right into my makeup bag because I don't have anything this color for a lip balm, so I think it'll be a good fall staple for sure. And it's always good to see anything Fenty Beauty. Next out we have this 3-piece silicone baking set. Now I've never tried a silicone baking mat yet, so I'm really looking forward to trying this. I do use a lot of parchment, foil, etc., so I'm curious to see how this will work. So let's take a look. Oh, it's cute. It's got like a sprinkle design. And then the other two pieces aside from the mat are 2 spatulas, one small and one large. And I use these all the time, so it's always good to have some extras. And then this last item comes in a really beautiful box. And let's just take a look inside. And this is a beautiful jar candle, and it's fig leaf and cedarwood. Now this would be perfect for either keeping or gifting. And I may end up gifting it. Not that I don't love it because it smells amazing and it's so beautiful, but I do have a ton of candles. I just hit up Bath & Body Works and I have just an influx of candles. So this would make a beautiful gift for anybody. It's just gorgeous. So overall, I feel like this bundle was a really good value. And that's not always the case for everyone, but I really liked every item in this bundle a lot. So thank you so much for watching my video. I'll just lay everything out here again, and I'll be back with my add-ons at a future date. Have a great weekend.